Healing after betrayal isn't easy, but it is possible. You deserve clarity, you deserve confidence, and you deserve to feel safe again. If you've been blaming yourself or replaying everything in your mind, you are not alone. What you're feeling is valid, and it makes sense after what you've been through. But your healing doesn't have to stay stuck in confusion. You can take back your peace step by step with gentle support and the right tools. That's why I created the free Betrayal Recovery Starter Journal. It's designed to guide you through the first 7 days of healing so you can start rebuilding your self-trust, your peace, and your inner strength. Inside, you'll find daily prompts, emotional clarity questions, and simple steps that help you reconnect with yourself after betrayal. It's gentle, it's grounded, and it's a safe place to begin again. Download your free journal today and take your first step toward healing. You don't have to do this alone. Your journey forward starts now.